Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Greenworks 12-inch surface cleaner. I found it at Lowe's for $30 and I'm hoping that it's going to help cut back on the amount of time and effort it takes me to clean my pool deck, this wooden deck, and I also have a patio. So let me show you just how easy I think this is going to be to use. It's literally one piece. You attach the nozzle here. There's two jets on either side of this wand and it just spins and cleans the surface. The outside has a brush that can help loosen up dirt. So attaching it's super simple. You remove any nozzle you might have on your wand. You pull back the collar and remove the nozzle. Line it up and it snaps on. So I wanted to be able to compare using the pressure washer wand, say that 3 times fast, with the new cleaning head. I wanted to find a smooth, even surface to be able to compare the two. I have a walkway in front of my house that I think will work well for this. On one side I'll clean with the new cleaning head and the other side I'll use the pressure washer wand. There's a diagonal line that's just a shadow from a wire overhead. Pressure washing would take me every bit of a weekend to get done. You can see that using the wand you don't really cover a lot of area and there's a lot of repetitive motion in your hand and wrist. So if you're someone who has arthritis or maybe carpal tunnel, pressure washing can be really hard on you. The surface cleaner is really covering a whole lot more ground here. It doesn't look like it's getting as clean as using the nozzle, but once I rinse this off, you'll be able to see the difference. Using the surface cleaner really takes a lot of the strain off of your wrist and hand. The movements are a lot smoother and not as repetitive. It's almost like using a vacuum cleaner. I'm going to rinse both areas off lightly just to remove any standing water, and you can see that there really is not much difference in both sides. I was really pretty impressed with the surface cleaner on the pool deck too. It's very textured and dirty, and the surface cleaner was able to lift the dirt and do a really nice job on getting the deck clean. You can't use the surface cleaner on steps or in corners, so you will need to take it off and use the nozzle for that. But I found that changing between the surface cleaner and the nozzle was very quick and very easy. As you're working, your nozzle can sometimes become clogged. Pressure washers come with a wire ring that you can use to clear out the clog. Well, if you're like me, I've lost my ring anytime I've gotten a pressure washer. They say you can also use a wire paper clip. So what I've done is attached a wire paper clip to my pressure washer, so anytime I need it, it's right here when I need it. So after using the surface cleaner, I'd have to say that I would highly recommend it. For $30, I don't think you can beat it. I was able to get all my pressure washing done in about a third of the time as it used to take me. I'm really glad that I bought it, and I can honestly say that it was $30 well spent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.